Hello everyone, I'm Ronald Mehta and welcome back to marketing91.com. We provide management and marketing training to students and professionals worldwide through our courses, videos and community. This video is part of our comprehensive take on the gamut of human resource management. Let's start with the gamut of employee relations. Employee relations refer to an organization's endeavor to create and maintain a robust and positive relationship with their internal customers who are employees. Let's look at an example of companies are doing that. Let's start with the first one of Nike and Bumble, where they gave their employees the week off. Nike gives its head office employees the week off to aid in their mental health amidst the pandemic. As stated by a senior manager of global marketing science at Nike in a LinkedIn post, our senior leaders are all sending a clear message. Take the time to unwind, de-stress and spend time with their loved ones. Do not work. He believes that the rationale behind the move is a need of the hour, with Nike acknowledging the fact that we can prioritize mental health and still get work done. Other company with a similar move entailed dating app Bumble. In June 2021, dating app Bumble introduced a company-wide week-long vacation to deal with burnout. Later, Bumble announced that the company-wide week off would be a twice-a-year permanent fixture. Another example of maintaining good employee relation is P&G, where for partners of LGBTQ employees, P&G now offers medical and employment benefits. The consumer goods giant P&G has extended workplace perks to partners of LGBTQ employees. This includes health insurance, emergency financial help, a flexible subsidized allowance and relocation perks. Effective April 1, 2022, the following company medical and workplace benefits were extended to partners of LGBTQ employees. Hospitalization insurance for personnel and their families are included in the business's healthcare plan for partners. More benefits also entailed getting bank loans or money for urgent medical expenses. Additionally, the partners would receive relocation perks as well. As stated by the VP and Head HR for Indian subcontinent for P&G, this latest initiative builds on top of our Share the Care inclusive parental leave policy that we launched last year. We also continue to strengthen our awareness and training program that sensitize our people on LGBTQ plus diversity. Moving on to the introduction of employee relations. Being at ease with each other and having an affinity with coworkers helps employees perform better and work collaboratively towards a goal with each other. It increases satisfaction and they tend to work voluntarily without considering it an obligation. This in turn improves the performance of the company. This gives employee relations a crucial role. Now let's look at some strategies and ways to improve employee relations. Number 1, encourage team participation. Employees should feel like their contribution is crucial to the company. The responsibilities allocated to employees must be in accordance with their interest. If employees are made to do things they dislike, fights may erupt between them and their colleagues. At number 2, motivating employees to share their work. Job sharing enables more interaction between employees about work that helps them make more comfortable around each other. The team becomes self-sufficient when it comes to decision making. Only when conflict with the team is drastic must a team leader interfere. At number 3, target allocation. It is crucial to allocate targets to employees that demand equal input from everyone. It is also crucial for them to be completed within given deadlines. They need to be inspired to collaborate in teams. A worker must be free to share his opinions, and everyone involved should congregate to decide on a course of action that would be advantageous to all. At number 4, casual conversations. The bond between employees strengthens as they casually interact during the breaks and coffee breaks that happen through the day. At number 5, motivate efficacious communication among team members. If communication among team members is not accurate and pertinent, uncertainty and misunderstandings may arise. It is important to be precise about what one wants and expects from their colleagues and the organization. Employees must openly express their views and discontentment related to their work and organization. This will help avoid conflicts in the future between employees and also strengthen their relationship. At number 6, motivate communication in written form. Organizations must implement written communication in order to maintain transparency within the organization. Communication that is verbal is less trustworthy than communication that is written. To keep everyone in the organization informed, records of meetings, agendas, and crucial matters must be circulated to everyone through emails. And finally, socializing and mingling. Small events like birthday celebrations, New Year celebrations, company picnic, Christmas celebrations, etc. play a huge role in improving employee relations in the long run. The atmosphere in the workplace gets lifted when employees are asked to organize everything for events, beautify the cubicles and offices all by themselves. Finally, let's look at an example of how Ikea is improving employee relations. Ikea provides employees with cash and greater discounts to help cope with rising expenses. The Inca Group, an Ikea retailer, is introducing a €10 million social budget and more significant employee discounts to aid staff members who are having a difficult time keeping up with the rising living expenses. The account will assist its most cash-strapped employees during its fiscal year, which runs until the end of August, according to the owner of the majority of Ikea furniture stores, the Ikea Group. In a statement, each country will give support to co-workers who may need of financial assistance, for example, pay electricity bills or for housing cost. According to a corporate representative, all 31 of the company's markets would have access to the fund and would not be alone. All employees would be eligible to apply, and the employer would decide how much employees may get based on each individual circumstances. The company, which employs over 170,000 people in 31 markets, also said that it would boost employee discounts up to 30% in its store-in-store food markets, and also in more than 2,000 energy-efficient items, including water-saving faucets, light bulbs, bed sheets, and appliances. The crisis is hitting many people hard, some more than others, such as cost of living. We want to be able to support co-workers through this time while balancing the needs of our business, always guided by our values, as stated in one of their company reports. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on employee relation. These are the list of sources and links referred to for our content in the video. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos.